Hello students, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the new lecture of advertising and promotion. Today our topic is about press conference. You have heard about press conference by different politicians, by different ministries, but probably you haven't heard about press conference conducted by an organization. Companies or organizations are also conducting press conference at some special occasions, like whenever they are launching a new product, or whenever they are opening a branch somewhere in a new city, or they are coming up with a new version of the product, like whenever they are launching new version of iPhone or new version of Samsung. So they are conducting press conference. But whenever an organization is conducting a press conference, who is responsible for that? They cannot arrange it by themselves, but instead they are doing this activity with the help of advertising agency. We have discussed advertising agency in previous classes, that being an organization you are called to be the client of that advertising agency, and that advertising agency is responsible for conducting your all advertising and promotional activities for the sake of specific fees. So here, whenever an organization is conducting press conference, so they are giving specific amount of money to the advertising agency, and advertising agency is responsible for conducting that specific press conference. Now, what is press conference? Before going to the definition and explanation, you should remember one thing, that in press conference, the advertising agency on the behalf of the organization or on the behalf of the client, different media reporters are invited there to the specific room or specific hotel. Normally this program is conducted in evening time. So they are giving information to the media people. Media people are asking different questions, and those questions are answered by the top management of the organization. Then they are publishing it in business newspaper, in business magazines, normal newspapers, etc. So this process is called press conference. Now have a look towards here, what he is written over here, that what is press conference. The advertising agency, I told you that it is the responsibility of advertising agency to whom you have given a specific amount of money or fees or charges. The advertising agency undertakes to invite the reporters for a press meet. Press conference is also called press meet. In press meet or press conference, advertising agency is inviting different media reporters. Reporters are also of different types: financial reporters, business reporters, crime reporters. Here you are not inviting the crime reporters, but just for the sake of your understanding, news reporter. So media, based on the structure, based on the nature of your conference, they are inviting relevant media reporters to a press meet or press conference. So how they are inviting these people? Formal invitation on the client's letterhead is sent to the press. Formal invitation on the client's letterhead. For example, your company is ABC, you are hiring advertising agency for this press conference. So your ABC company is called client for that advertising agency. So your ABC company is the client. You have a letterhead. Letterhead means official page of your organization, in which there is logo, name, slogan, at the last company address, and contact numbers. So these invitation letters are sent on the client letterheads. So that page in which your logo is there, name is there, and you are using it for sending letters, etc., it is called letterhead of the organization or official page of the organization. So this advertising agency is sending these invitations to the press, to the media reporters, while using the letterhead of the organization or using the letterhead of the client. Now what is next over there? The letter must mention the reason of conference, exact date, time and avenue. Avenue means place. In this letter, what is written over there? In this letter, the name of the conference is written there, a reason of the conference, why we are conducting this conference, whether we are launching a new product, whether we have come up with some innovation, whether we are opening a new branch. So there may be many reasons, but still the topic is clearly mentioned over there, or the reason is clearly mentioned over there. At the same time, exact date and time is mentioned over there, and avenue is also there. Avenue means place in which 5-star hotel you are conducting this media conference. Furthermore, what is the suitable time, waqt-e munasib, for conducting this press conference? It is normally held at 5-star hotel followed by a dinner. Followed by a dinner means that normally we are conducting this conference at 5-star hotel at evening time. After the conference, you are giving dinner to the reporters and other peoples which you have invited to your conference. Then appropriate reporters are chosen by media department. Media department of advertising agency, they are selecting appropriate reporters relevant to your conference. They are invited over there. Now, before going to further explanations to the rules of the press conference, we should also discuss the advantages and disadvantages of press conference. What are the advantages? Advantages are that you have point number one, that you have invited different media reporters, different types of reporters. So this conference will be published in different newspapers, magazines, etc. Point number second, more credibility. Press conference is more credible than your simple ad, because third party media reporter is saying something about your organization. So there is more credibility in press conference is compared to advertisement or ad. These are two major advantages of press conference, although there are many more advantages, but this is the major advantage of press conference. What are its disadvantages? Disadvantage is that media peoples, you cannot trust on the media people full-heartedly, because they can write anything, means it is uncontrollable. Plus, when they will publish this thing, where they will publish, what will be the length of the message, in which page of the newspaper or magazine it will be published. All these things are out of your control. So this is the disadvantage of press conference for your organizations. However, whenever we are conducting press conference, there are some rules and regulations to be followed. Rules to be followed. Number one, be punctual. Be punctual means that, for example, we are starting the press conference at 8 p.m. night time. So all the media people and organizational executives must be there half an hour before the start of the press conference, because if you are going late, then it will not be good for the health of your organization, for your publicity. So be on time, or even you should reach half an hour before the start of the press conference. Point number second, check all equipments. Check all equipments means camera, LCDs, medias, your laptops, all these things must be properly working, or you should run a test to check all the equipments, technological equipments at the press conference. Point number third is ensure seating arrangement. Seating arrangement should be in proper manner, like a conference. Okay, normally they are conducting it in semicircle, so you must check the seating arrangement of the conference. Check stage backdrop, backdrop or background. And banners, obviously you are inviting media, so there must be a huge logo at the backdrop or at the background of the press conference or the stage. And banners should be installed over there. High quality banners must be there to cover the pictures, etc., to be displayed by media reporters in newspapers, magazine, televisions, etc. Number 5, do not overdress. Overdress. In book it is written specifically for females, for ladies, that there should be no over makeup, no informal dress. For male and females, a male should be in proper dress, 3-piece suit with tie. Female should also have proper dressing, no over makeup, etc. Because it is your press conference, not an expo. So this is called press conference. I explained press conference for you people. At the same time, advantages and disadvantages with some rules and regulations to be followed when conducting the press conference. Thank you very much, students. Be with me for coming classes. Stay at your homes. Focus only on your studies. Khuda Hafiz.